Hey guys, it's Michaela, and today I'm going to walk you through how to DM on Instagram. It's pretty quick and simple, so let's jump in. I have my Instagram already open, and to DM somebody, to direct message somebody, it's quite simple. You just go to their profile, the person you want. So let's say I want to DM Caroline. And to do that, all I go is click on her profile, and then you go to the message icon, and then you can go ahead and start a chat. And it's that quick and simple. Say you want to just go to your home button, and at the very top to your right is where your messages are. That's where you can read them and look them over. And this is where all of the messages I have with this account. And if I want to just write a new message to somebody and I don't want to search for their account, I can just go to the little pencil and paper icon at the top right. I can search for the account I want to message. And then I click chat. And then I can go ahead and write, hey, or whatever you want to write. And that is how you DM someone on Instagram. If you have a question, let us know. If not, like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.